This is a short program or short code to draw the image of a gem. I want my background color to be contrasting with the gem. It's light green. Actually, the gem is going to be colored royal blue. Now, what I have here is one loop here and another loop here. The first loop actually identifies all the starting points for the lines that I will be drawing. There will be 8 starting points here. And then for the sub loop here, I have the points, the lines that will be ending at. For example, for the first line, it's going to be starting at 0 to 50 and ending at 250, 200. And then the second line is 0 to 50 and ending at 400, 0. And then the third line will be starting at 0 to 50 and ending at 250 minus 200. And then we proceed until we reach the last point here. And then for the second iteration of the main loop, it's going to be this one here, the starting point, 250, 200 is going to be connected with 250, 200. Oh, yes, of course, it will not generate any line, but since we want the program to be shorter, we cannot avoid this repetition here. Okay, 250, 200 will be connected to 400, 0, and then 250, 200 will be connected to 250 minus 200, and then all the way up to the last point. You can see here that before we draw the line, it is pen up, and then we go to the starting point, the J, and then we draw the line now, pen down, and then go to the end of the line. Then we repeat the iteration until we have so many lines joining points. This is how it looks like the gem.